Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I have shown that how you can test your Facebook campaign lead form by using Facebook lead form testing tool. But in the last video, I didn't show you that after testing your Facebook form, how you can see that the lead has been fetched in your CRM or in any of your connected backend software. So today we will learn that and I will show you an example that how and where the lead goes after you test your Facebook lead campaign form. So here is the Facebook lead campaign tool. We have selected our page and form. So when we click on preview form, it will give us a pop-up of our Facebook lead form and we will fill our information in the form and submit the form. Alright guys, so we have filled the form and this is our lead form connected with a campaign and we will continue here and we'll submit the form to test the lead and the lead form that if it is working correctly and we are fetching the leads in our CRM. So after submitting the form, you will not see your lead instantly in your CRM. So for this video, I have an example for GoHighLevel. So here you can see that we don't have any recent leads fetch here. So what we'll do, we'll go back to our Facebook testing tool. And here what we'll do, we'll click on track status. So what it will do, it will tell you that if your lead has been successfully submitted or it has been successfully pushed to your CRM or not. If you see a status here, it means that your form has been submitted successfully and you will definitely see your lead in your CRM if you have connected your CRM with your Facebook lead form correctly. So there are two parts. We have tested the form that it's been submitting and it's showing the correct form by Facebook lead ads testing tool, but we need to be confirmed that if the lead is going into our CRM or not. Because if it's not, it will be stored in Facebook and you have to download it manually every time you get a lead. We also need to check that if we have any error or error message here, and if it's not, everything is good. So we'll go back to our CRM and we'll refresh here. So here now we will see our lead and all the information of our test lead, and we can also see the journey of our lead, that where it came from. Okay, so after refreshing the page, you can see that we have our lead here, which we have submitted. So what I was saying before, that you can see the journey of your lead, how you can see that in GoHighLevel. For that, you need to set up your parameters correctly in your Facebook lead form. I have created another video, the whole video about explaining how you can set up the parameters and how they are useful in your Facebook campaigns. And so this is here, I will show you that how you can track the lead journey by using your Facebook parameter URLs. So to check the journey of our lead, we need to go to the contacts and select and open our contact here. So once we are in the detailed contact area, you can see that everything is shown here, that the lead came from Facebook lead form and it got tagged from our automation, and you can see that it came from the paid social and from the Facebook lead form. But we need more information about the lead. So how you can get that? If you see here, it says the first attribution and the last attribution. So this information or everything will be fetched from your Facebook parameters. If you have the Facebook parameters set up correctly, it will give you really nice information. But if you haven't selected correctly, it will only tell you that it came from Facebook paid social. That's it. So how we can see that? If you click on this icon here, besides the Facebook lead form, it will open a pop-up and it will give you all the details that where it came from. So it came from, the source is Facebook, the medium is social, and the source is paid social. So we can add more fields in our parameters in our Facebook, that it will tell you the campaign and the ad set and everything. So right now it is the test field. That's why it's not giving you the campaign and the ad set level information in the page detail. Otherwise, if you get a proper lead from your Facebook lead campaign, it will give you all the information. And let me show you an example for that. So now, as you can see, this is the qualified lead. So this came directly from the Facebook lead form, from the same campaign which we have tested before. And now you can see all the parameters we have. The content, it's telling us that the from which content it came from which medium it was captured, and the campaign name, everything you will set up in your parameters, it will give you all the information. So what you can do with this information is really useful, that you can determine that if which ad set is working really good, which ad is getting more leads, so you can decide in future that which ads you need to run and which which campaign you need to increase the budget. So setting up the URL parameters is really important. so you can get all the information correctly. And once you have tested all your information, you can also like retest other forms. And for that, and if you want to test the same form again, what you need to do, you cannot recreate the recreate the lead from here directly or click on preview form. First you need to delete the lead you have already created, the test lead. So for that, just click on delete lead here, and it will delete the lead you have created, the test lead, in your CRM. And you can again do the same process by clicking the preview form and create another lead, and you can do different type of testing on your lead form. So this is a small tool, but it is really useful and powerful to test your lead forms, to understand how your lead form and CRM connects with each other and everything works seamlessly. So after this, you need to understand the URL parameters, so you will get all the information for your lead in your CRM to optimize your Facebook campaigns. So guys, I hope you understand now that how you can test your Facebook lead form, how you can find the lead in your CRM, and how useful the URL parameters will be in your lead journey. I will see you in next video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.